In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Gantt chart in Power BI. By the end, you'll have a clear visual timeline of your project directly inside a Power BI report using data you already have in Excel. Start by opening your Power BI desktop app. You can work inside an existing report or begin with a blank one. Either way is fine. Before you proceed, make sure you have an Excel file prepared with your Gantt data. Typically, that file should include columns like task name, start date, end date, and optionally duration, assigned resource, and percent complete. It's a good idea to confirm in Excel that your date columns are formatted as dates to ensure Power BI recognizes them correctly. In Power BI, import your data by choosing the option to bring in data from Excel, browse to your file, select it, and pick the specific table or sheet you want to include. If your workbook contains multiple tables, choose only the ones relevant to your Gantt. When ready, click Load. Power BI will bring your data into the model and you'll see your fields appear in the data pane. Next, you'll add the Gantt visual. In the Visualizations area, click the three dots to get more visuals. This opens a gallery where you can search for Gantt chart. You'll see several options created by different publishers. Select the one that suits your needs and click Add. This adds the visual to your toolbox so you can place it on your report. Now, insert the Gantt visual onto the canvas. With the visual selected, map your fields to the appropriate wells. Drag your task or activity column into the task field. Place start date and end date into their respective date fields. If your data includes duration, percent complete, or resource, drop those into the corresponding fields provided by the visual. As soon as you map the essentials, the chart will render and display each task as a horizontal bar spanning from start to end. Take a moment to check the timeline and task order. If dates don't look right, verify that the fields are recognized as dates in your model. If tasks look duplicated, confirm you selected the correct table or removed any unnecessary columns when loading. That's it, you've imported your Excel data, added a Gantt visual, and mapped your fields to build a clear project timeline in Power BI. Save your report and you're ready to share your Gantt chart with your team.